Founded in 2003, 511 specializes on manufacturing tactical survival gear for consumers. Their gears are super reliable and affordable, which is used by many professionals around the globe. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 10 511 tactical survival gear that you must have to face any kind of situation with confidence. Gear up for action with all Hazards Nitro Gear backpack. A rugged backpack can be your perfect companion in any survival tactical situation. This backpack offers a massive 21-liter storage space and has multiple storage pockets to keep your gear organized. You can even fit a 13-inch laptop in it. With the help of its durable zippers, it can provide a total 180-degree opening for easy in and out access of the bag. Its 4 padded bag with padded straps allow you to carry it for a long time with comfort and comes with sternum strap for proper weight distribution. Made from high-quality materials, this backpack is waterproof and durable to withstand any weather condition. The 511 All Hazards Nitro backpack can fulfill all of your carrying needs in any tactical and survival situation, and you can find it online. Tackle any rough terrain with the 511 ATAC 2.0 boots, a rugged military-style boot that provides the confidence in any survival tactical situation. Made from leather and nylon upper material, this pair boasts a durable construction that is guaranteed to resist wear and tear and withstand heavy use. Featuring the Ortholite full-length dual-density insole with a bottom layer of Ortholite X25 foam, this boot provides all the support and wear comfort. It comes with Achilles heel flex zone that provides better maneuverability and also has Ortholite Achilles cuff for a custom and comfortable fit, guaranteeing you breathability for maximum airflow. The 511 ATAC 2.0 boots are trusted by those who demand the most out of their gear, and you can get it from online. People don't realize that an operation build can improve their chances in any survival tactical situation. Now meet the 511 operation build, a rough and tough build made to provide a helping hand in any situation. Made from ultra-strong nylon mesh and a solid stainless steel buckle, this build is durable and bear rough use and can withstand hard impacts. It has a tensile strength of up to 5,100 pounds, allowing you to wear and use it worry-free without any hassle. You can easily convert this belt to a tie-down, carry strap or emergency harness in time of emergency and has enough support to carry your holster and accessories comfortably and securely. If you are preparing for any survival or tactical situation, then you should have this belt with you to tackle those situations with confidence, and you can find it online. Not all the watches can survive the toughness of any survival tactical situations. That's why you need 511 Field Watch, a feature-packed rugged watch built for outdoors. It comes in a 44-meter case and has scratch-resistant mineral glass crystal face that allows you to wear it even in the toughest conditions wear-free. It features phosphorescent time that keeps the civilian time on the main dial, with military time displayed on the inner dial. It comes with a unidirectional ratcheting bezel and it is waterproof up to 330 feet underwater, so that you can wear it even during heavy rainfall. This watch has a narrow nylon webbing band which is durable enough to withstand rough use yet comfortable enough to wear it all day. The 511 Field Watch can be the perfect suited watch for any tactical survival situation, and you can easily find it online. To face any kind of survival tactical situation, you need to carry multiple gear. That's why you need 511 Stryke PANT. a unique cargo pant to host all of your gears while you move swiftly. Made from two-way flex-tack mechanical stretch fabric, this pant is highly durable and comes with Teflon coating, which makes it stain and soil resistant. This pant features a total 12 pockets where you can keep your tactical gear organized and quickly gain access in time of need. It comes with self-adjusting tunnel waistband and articulated knees for wear fit and comfort. Get ready for any survival tactical situation with the 511 Stryke pant and keep all of your gear with you wherever you go. And you can get it from online. In any survival tactical situation, you will need to act fast to increase your chances of survival. That's why you need the 511 Thumbdrive holster, the quickest and safest level 2 holster in the world. It comes with proprietary single thumb retention system that allows you to get your hands on your gear instantly in times of need. It features chop block switch guard that keeps your weapon locked in place securely and prevents accidental opening. This holster has belt slide and belt paddle that allow you to easily carry it with your belt and don't have to worry about getting it off. Engineered in partnership with A.T.A.C and field tested by Viking Tactics, makes it perfect for any kind of survival tactical situation. If you are looking to buy a holster, keeps your weapon locked in place and provides you instant access, then the 511 Thumbdrive holster is the right choice for you and you can get it from online. Tackling any survival situation in low light condition can be challenging. That's why you need 511 Response CR1 flashlight, a powerful flashlight that can be your ideal source of brightness in any situation. It comes with Cree XP-L2 version 5 LED, which can generate up to 549 lumens of brightness. Its light beam can travel up to 133 meters to cover a wide area with its brightness. This flashlight has 3 different lighting modes that allows you to adjust brightness according to your need with just a push of a button. This flashlight comes in an aerospace-grade aluminum construction which allows it to survive 1 meter drop. It also has IPX for waterproofing. It runs on dual lithium-ion battery and can provide brightness for more than 4 hours on a single charge. If you are looking for the perfect brightness solution for any survival tactical situation, then the 511 Response CR1 flashlight is the right choice for you and you can get it from online. In any tactical situation, it's important to keep a multi-tool to accomplish multiple tasks with ease. Now meet the 511 Lay EMT multi-tool, a feature-packed multi-tool for your outdoor operation. It packs 13 different tools in its compact construction including wire cutter, plier, magnetic bead holder and many more to make your work efficient. Made from high-grade tumbled steel, this thing is built like a tank and can survive hard impacts. This multi-tool is also corrosion resistant. The Lay EMT multi-tool is designed to deliver optimal efficiency and functionality in any survival tactical situation, and you can get one for yourself from online. A cutting tool can become handy in any survival tactical situation. But what if it could do more? Meet the 511 Operator X, a combination of X and multi-tool to tackle any kind of situation with confidence. It comes with 24 tools and functions including scale, plier, socket drivers and many more, to ensure you always have the right tool with you in the time of need. Made from SCM 435 stainless steel, this X is built durable and corrosion resistant. It also features jimped shaft and handle for optimal grip. It comes with a high quality sheath that protects the X from outside elements and ensures longevity. If you're looking to buy a powerful cutting tool for any tactical survival situation, then the 511 Operator X is the right choice for you and you can easily find it online. Stay prepared for any kind of tactical situation with 511 Multicam TACTEC plate carrier, a high-strength plate carrier that lets you stay prepared for whatever situation you might get stuck. Made from Cordura 500D nylon, this carrier is built rugged and accommodates medium or large ballistic plates. It comes with adjustable waist and tensional bands that allows you to wear it with confidence, while its back yoke shoulder pads distribute weight evenly. It also features oversized airflow panels that allow you to wear it for a long time. Built with durable Duraflex hardware and water-resistant coating, this plate carrier is durable to withstand hard impacts. If you are looking to buy a rugged plate carrier to face any tactical survival situation with confidence, then the 511 Multicam TACTEC plate carrier is the right choice for you, and you can get it from online. So that's all about the 10 511 survival gear for you. Like, share and comment your thoughts below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.